In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play 1v1 against friends in Rocket League. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow step by step. Setting up a private 1v1 match in Rocket League is extremely simple. You will be able to do 1v1 and you can even have other people join as spectators if they want to watch. So first, from the home screen of Rocket League, all that you have to do is click the option to create a party. When you go over to create a party, you will be able to invite anyone from your friends list who is currently online. So I am doing this process on PC, and you will notice that I don't have anyone who is able to join this lobby at the moment because I don't have anyone online on my friends list. But if you do, you will be able to invite them from here. Of course, if you are doing this process through a PlayStation console or an Xbox console, you will have to invite them from your friends list in there. So once they join the party, you will see their icon here, and you are basically good to go. So have everyone who is going to join you go over to the party, and now you can go over to play and choose private match. Make sure that you create a private match, and among the list of options, you will be able to control the game mode, the arena, the team size, which is the most important part. Make sure that you set this to 1v1 and then no bots, and then you can change all of the other aspects according to your preference, including the region, so all of you get a good connection and stable ping. So change between the game modes, the arena, and then you can configure team settings. Usually the default is going to be enough, just blue and orange, but you can customize, and then you have mutator settings if you want to enable those. So just go ahead and create the match. Now, like I said, because I wasn't able to invite anyone to join me on this lobby, I won't be able to show you actual 1v1 gameplay, but one of you will be able to go over to the blue team or whatever color you set it as, and then the other person to the opposite. Everyone who is going to be spectating just has to choose this option here at the bottom, and now you should be good to go once both of you connect. The game mode is going to start immediately, and you will be able to do 1v1 in Rocket League. I hope I was able to help you on how to do 1v1 in Rocket League with friends. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.